Did you tweak Wikipedia settings and now the page looks totally wrong? Reset everything to factory defaults in under 1 minute. We'll open your personal settings, jump to Preferences, restore all defaults, confirm the reset, and finish with one click. Click your Personal Settings to open the menu. Then, from that menu, click on Preferences to get into your preference settings. Now, click on Restore All Default Preferences in all sections to start the reset process. Check the Yes, I want to reset my preferences box to confirm. Finally, click on Restore All Default Settings, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.